Who says you need two hands to rebuild an automatic transmission? My name is Robert, and I was born missing half of my right arm. Despite that limitation, I went on to become an ASE Master Certified Automotive Technician, specializing in automatic transmissions. Rebuilding an automatic transmission can be a very rewarding lesson in life. A lesson in dedication, a lesson in self-confidence, a lesson in belief. If you're interested in learning how to rebuild your own automatic transmission, be sure and check out Southpaw Autoworks over on YouTube.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson.